Hello, agus fáigi hiig na seanslaí mas maiile seansa ghlaú glaciad na seanslaí is mas siúmigil ceada agus tá glór 6 rópaí ina dhé an arachtas go fáil, but you're listen tá se go thoma car leir muid beá bathe arás libh a ríis agus mu seo marsra le muid cóleachí le muid cairde ar dúspáir mu seo le anuir anig go timar
Tá me ragún me fós go thomlánscrista. Ní mar as gom héin a go bhistom tá ahanana a bhí hí a glearna mothú ddíach mar ggéine. Má hín fós ná go leor choú fáid seo gom agus tá bud a tafa seo ar an ggédaín in éonartas. So ar an sé níos dólaí a an bblion caiime sin ra.
For a man notification or margin Jaloon or all asthma or being like, you got your 8 hours sleep, like go hard, just like you must be feeling so much better than that. The gra and it was just like like year Podgy Shalom Gafal, Vima Gafal, absolutely hopeless. Because I can't feel that absolutely hopeless. When Chow Foster le James O'Flaherty, James Trimatati.
Oh yeah, hopeless as always. Just happy out of Emmerhin. Pean terms version ach ní bhfuil man na peanta sin ag Oireachtas, just peanta choláil eile gur mé héin áil ceartas ruí, but yeah, seachtain chill nó famsa so de mis just gur na scéalta le gá web sin á sin ru de mis gur áach.
Well, I wish grow. I honest to God, James, mar derma le mod housemates, bhí se scandalous. Ní se scandalous, bhí se scandalous. Ní ro
Idir mé allar an Arrow James an though.
Well, no, hold on. Because it's very because ní cheapan sa ó aon daine, really, and not to out aon daine bhfuil aithning ar an fad and we can bleep something my ear much from the head. They were like, oh, fluke. But like, I don't think grow aon daine could be a mesal ag an arta some Mbliana.
Yeah, I mean now camera honey na gardi fi go.
Okay, well
winne imethe líf fin pointe sin. I mean chunig mé scéalta daoine gur hánig siad hegan glenig le ar séir margin bhí just nachhágach daoine agus sin muir le háirí ag muir curí dénne d sa sete.
Ag séhlóg margin, like what the what he got armed with a deadly weapon, you know, like Cain core bhí genta acu, you know, like ach tan ceart ná
agad. Níor chuúla mé faoi éonseirt in kind of a shiftal grow as a granna, ní chum mé gonna be go bhhaile na chéile, ní aici mé rudabí crackáilte club na féile, ní gortaíocht inar bí. Just an shave. Caiimrá gur club na féile gur níos grúpa an ógam líana, so beidir gur buin sé an aige sin leis ná ra mar daoine pógu, cos bhí age gaps can engine.
Yeah.
Dini soganne agus na daltaí osscoile, so beidir ná ra mar in the sin na tarlú.
I will say táning mar thing away or fog daine agus an dom should the agro should like was it Fia? I think the remember or whatever.
No.
Like Chimpler soganne nani shinne whatever. Agus like resure the hue. Holo is a dom should it was shift first, ask questions later. Agus
I mean come on, you should so here.
Shouldn't not digging Joe. In fairness, Anigma and ní capping growing lad sin fi but listen, look, I would more ain't not though you gotta ask her this bar kind of double because Neil is so good a club na féile because Marial go ar son nachhan in
a caiimar agur arc club na féile cos le ihe amachlein hogla eá le Lawrence a gro a handra wadní soigen am mudne ní hé gur chuir sin ista mar velcobí le bhí club na féile fós comai is bhí riú bhí ihe hard absolútely do chréite bhí déna choirna casí ceol ag pointúáin bhí gal chu an hús bhí sé just ionta le bhí club féile ní bhín se riúbal le droplíon acu.
Caiimach cála dhéanú dó ar cahaldó ring se ruí a really listen ring se ruí a really chuirte harmsa ag club na féile an saharn hí really cail banjo mar chuirtar sáile chuir se Swisser an státe agus dúirt so ring se áhanhéinsa which is an absolute banger an absolute bop agus an sin dúirt seo cin do much an na farste seo ag glamtang gláscí dóir agus bhí mis fuming agus céhí as mo chóir ach ahuiir agus de cháil cethir ife agus bhí si le is brelam dúna ná is brelam túús dúna ná tá seo cho jazz am chríostíon seo an I was like tan láin inné másla omlan a dhéanú harmsa agus the ship should like slan. Okay,
in fairness, tan thór an just a roll sugumsa Bhí ife ní rosa ífa na focail, bhí si just seaan sin ra Tárí lá is spralam dú gá spralam gaiig as bhí hiú seaan sin le hosar a
Mars Gareth.
like ní like just totally not giving in like ní rota go canú cuma fiú matá focail ó so good as bhí hena ruúa as Pauline couple of méidir hiúlún i ligann thugur siad go bheith chin cumáid wachtún
Oh
video
yeah.
like let it be known ná roisiú sas le cahalhacht.
I will say, listen to Catechism because I handle a corneal hunting my heart again artist and Mbliana Holma and Bachelor of a canta thing whatever. Literally, I'd say on the hour, just Holma doing try to go, man, it's fatty and man handling it. Like it was like
Yeah, caiim call out dhéanú ar Witcher an firste leis
Okay,
an
hold on.
bachelor agus muir háirí le or na scada like chumán tá or agah like lo is sí a residence bar ag go cear mágin cloisian tú ar na scada a ríis as a ríis agus a ríis agus a ríis.
Well, so hold on a second, anyway, because the Cumhne Umsa ag Carlogger Margin's residence bar or in Sahar or this a catch armsa came to sit ar an a scada.
Mar bhí mu like bhí me héin agus rá. Yeah, bhí me héin as machar bhím rá like oh my god gcóí cloisian muid an toran seo ag an pointinte níthe and then we're like oh my god dé tús nó an seo ríis. So fo chunne cisina mágu a bhí an dír san ní rom mé ggóil i chaú me héin Jerry me.
Cuasaí taide.
Gotta love them. Gotta love much a hurry.
Yeah.
Well, what do you call it? They're just giving you hard. And I think the Fockley Gajira or Usaj Ma was fucking orange. It's fuck Mutcher Harry. I think it turned ma. No, because it was like because I was like knee Oran around the fire station like Ken Doyle was the Fockle. I obviously listen. I was in the heat of the moment. It's Brandon Mutcher Harry.
Yeah. Ich heb me go mis an troublemaker an chief seo, but tá si tosí beefs le cantar áirithe nú ngáil swiftly
James rinne sin couple blian ó hen.
No, exactly. No,
ní os specifically le éon chundé no le éon fort go chundé just hos chundé ar fáda. I didn't discriminate.
Yeah. Scrap le much
Rá líon na daoine síos like rá maids líon na daoine síos I thought I breanú ar scéalta like obviously ní amán so béidir go má thomlá méchiart ach scéalta agus just aine ar daoine a bhíon an go hinúil agus nachar an cheapime se go méidir go bhreanna se cos gur líon an méid i drastal ar an oireachtas síos in áit an blian it definitely blian riheh gus sé mar blian riheh gur tíad tálan so
yeah.
Sílam gro couple of duine go meach aithna gcuinéir nach rán am léana. Níró cuiomhchats ní caiil an am léana bhí si gobar. Couple of duine go meach muine i caiint leis nach roán, but then sílam gro ní smó miléin an. Sílam gro fastagur na daoine níos oige. So ní dóilm gro ní slú daoine bhí sé fós bloody pacalta glóir, like rinne me siar session a casú just hairn sa fásaiste sin i lár. Sin an átas meas le dúna casú mar stoppi daoine ach níl si de stopú éis just siad a bécíil agus si déanaar túna casú literally bhí ggóiltrí de lúsa le ní le tú aon clostal so bhí sé definitely cógraithe sílam as an éú.
Well, Talín the McLean definitely also because vi se genu MCL like in the McLean agus market ending Hannah kitchen, but we basically over COVID we like hitch and mage area Dalty she's like our McLean she's good you know because like a gear in small is more agus vi in the McLean absolutely pack out
in stofuoin estes a bhí ar thuúla.
Okay, so bhí muchar
chunig me an live a bhí who's bin le an disco cún.
Well, yeah, bhí siad gléiste fa chuine sin cumáid, yeah.
So bhí much na trinide gléiste suas mar clíthe allhór the Duck Goose. So bhí a hanna le duine i caiithú masc lehan a hahain ding a bhain a bhí mór an gé. So then ar a hasí an áran sí siad ar léir ar fad a léir an airlar agus háisi siad the gimmert clíthe allhór the Duck Goose i léir an club which is I think is hilarious Na butchery though was galliv mar bhí ahan ila dunyaku. And I mean to say, James, ahan ila dunyaku gléiste mar pitbull. Bhí se absolutely
Ball
hilarious.
caps ó
Oh,
cúlaigh,
na,
face ó gur thuúlaigh,
and the face of
hilarious.
the Sunnies and Carwath and Tílé Buan, like bhí se go homlan. Bhí and dedication was amazing.
Tá méid coincidences a sin iad sin a bheith lééis mar pitbull agus tusa is siomú 305.
Sorry,
Cinnaí an weird bhfuil?
bhí Mr. Worldwide go mór ar mé cin
Yeah.
Bhí se agus níor capá mise ar Harbí chuning cifiú a dúirt slama agus bhí turma gromain ever trína bhí chuig agus bhí like haha pitbull and I was like, oh what, hold on 1 second.
Caimara ghfuil like gro éidir am mbliana rih na miléin, mar sílam gro sé agrathe just comaitomh agus
Yeah.
a bhuichas siadam le bloc fa chunne sin rinne siad camera just job do chreitim lína, like dagir siad an kosher cún agus Barry ó sucr slár caiú mullet van Jarg agus bhí se an rud is así faoin a bhín disco cún i lár an reception.
Yeah.
So bhí muna le na daoine chuní sinne si is sapá ar joachtas ag arcarthú like Tarsúla go Holland sin. And then chuis siad Ocean díra ag hína miléin, Ocean díra ag an club na féile, agus bhí nerd stuff éagsúil siúil bhí an Braig Comórtas look-alike Paul Mescler siúil.
Oh yes.
But turns out ní roiin Comórtas an crohí siad an Ivard an Shomra, so bhí daoine rehart, and then bhí siad a chur messages ag block like, you liars.
Like
she job do creite lína leis an bhí se cógranar.
No, bhí se crack mai in fairness like bhí se definitely níos suaine ná de gra. Beidir go ar fád just prepal double first mbliana. Beidir com is just ar fád like
Oi.
Show me bucáilte.
Fá Clarne in a good state so that they should say them with ag arís.
I love your version as the sprálam an daigneartí gromid like ní suaine mbliana as an Kiel tugad sin nach chuimiid lí go chuig an áte sé mbliana?
Yes. Agus Neuro ein scandal Neuro gahabí to
Ní éon scandal I mé the hiú agus bhí the freaking lab héad.
Agus my lab maybe I think you were my good luck charm, James Badger. Badger sin rod.
Bad luck charm.
Well, yeah, actually, yeah. There were some words.
What do you mean? No, obviously, like for to root the games, no, we miss it on, so not Webs, but obviously that's good luck.
Caimid Lord, faoi an rud a dúirt an chalín leat a hiú faoin pod creilú.
Faoin pod creilú?
Yes, Maidir le an rud like an dóig go gcuiníim se.
Sorry, yes. The couple things James Dirtlum that they absolutely fancy the whole off you was the focal of usage. I know. Look, James
fancy the whole off you.
No, tisse. James of Lahartha. Just rugla grow anything else. This is James of Lahartha. Grow should ingra lata. And then dúirt thingy grow much ernos Tommy agus Hector agus Larita. So grow Anya more and thingy a bhí basically Kanyam Virginia in Czech and Hammer Fod. But dúirt thingy lom grow like gan Anya go bhfuil Virginia ernos the basement yard.
Oh my god!
Like that Rocha Michigas to when it would just be ag ran ruddy is amaji like hella basically out stupiding each other or fá urlug.
Oh my god, it's really accurate. Because people
actually you're going to real comparison version.
Go on the basement yard, go on these on TikTok, and I find them hilarious. So I think I've been can I compliment?
An ceartach an duine sin just during siad rudí lena chéile leis an duine le chur gaiirí or just like
But I was like go home man and Falwan go imagine on actual Cora Veoging is Mariala Ranya. So what he does
Shin fear.
Jackson Martini like James Araku.
What the fuck is Kane Buzz attached there or whatever. But no, the line crack going mbliana vigel Gary hinta actually agus nima just ration vision
now we come on war agus chol my rash grow reviews ma futsa hue so good stuff.
Well,
good on you.
Well, despite and fucking roasting a worma a
Coola
reek
mé
and
Coola
set.
mé gan air sé
Oh
magú
my.
fudcréile so gun.
Agus ring mag Kuan de Burka, another call out. This is really an aggressive pod.
Yeah, tú mis fáil amach bhain anmach
Well,
so once is mission did it that cute.
Well, fágad you listen to Jay there, so James. Basically, so what much like Kuan de Burka, as seen in the Jacks with Kuan de Burka, agus actually in featured the Nate also as or Instagram agus
Hilarious.
TikTok and this the actual Harter and Erectus Agenu Agla Verdini is absolutely unbelievable as well. But ring shot set a Gailgary agus Durcha. Wuma leisure an sreid trí himpeiste arhain agus dúirtlam, okay, by the way, a Gilgart chun mágu enú art a rion set. And I was like, lad, aber could be other while lad is cumulum, so like it will not affect me in any way, shape, or form. So then Táisian an set agus ó a dhí an stuff a bhí se i ragro mas tíon brothel a ra goró mise ag bhí se mar obríonn se mar freelancer sí gaig, which just means go just gurc arm sé glacu pasní sa gar fad and rud dúirte was bhí se chun chur tús le podcréilú marall gur dinge far unemployed gan mar le ra agus ní fiú ar Harvey agus just cost a hiú car agus sin dúirte seanslia is right. So bhí se magu pod soganne podbug soganne go mór a síl nuile listen.
Coola mis gur tuir d an cos le tá podcréiltí mai him hin sin agus an sin
agus
cean hiúan
agus cean hiúan sorry whichever they're kitchen. Which ní aontíim leis ar Harvey.
Unsí, absolút unsí.
No.
Well, in fairness, no, dúir tú gur cadige, ma bhí ma an leat no chasmas leis Erisráid.
Yeah.
Dúir tú gur cadige. Just dear Mr. go on the side, it would do go Mr. Ursus, which I know some shit. Yeah, where you go. Yeah, come on. Because ní bheith ma on, so
yeah. James got off scot-free mbliana go Lewis go homeland. But no, bhí se really my actually and Texas fair warma and EA was so the Shanti O'Malley Astor agus Popador den Scott in amsa and show yenu faste but Jerry Chachin agus some go alright but chuir se text tugging your imagine in the EA a ra go gro muhersige egin show agus dúir tiise gur bé an Gailgary is fair the Wakashi a Rio as in an Gailgary ahain a Wakashi nachro walk hain ag genuine show. Come on. And I was like, whatever about could be rather there's Kuan, could be like it's like could be rather near an ending Ella or lied and your own where so you can show because like, oh yeah, we shall one he's fair. And they're not wrote this in more parts.
Ouch.
Yeah.
Ouch.
That's a big oof.
Large oof. But yeah, no, we should definitely agus I think there's a anatha with her good climate cohort just go our cara ig radio rira ashling the Donovan a one rail dog the mbliana.
Woo!
Yup, ashling.
Heilte go homlan eki agus dúirt me sin lehí ar níthe go le obair chuthis daí ar na blianta si gobers na man ó bhíal sa séide agus dóilm so an grind heilte gomórcí.
Over the gapel genta geese of core just lat ashling and now much just to find her and you James that's now
Bring
it off.
Realt og.
Oh
yeah
Inta og.
Seansálaithe conspire right you know tá chósáasta chuan ding seo ras má chósáasta agus tuigim gur dinge conspire é agus nachhfuil dúla é ahanana an but Michael Murphy a rasha in Donegal. Here we go.
Is bralam go sin go sé ní sáchttaí Lord faoi Michael Murphy rih Trump.
Okay. Okay.
Priorities, Hugh.
Well, listen. Look, passing your father Trump is a shite bag and a fascist agus go Shah chun an Dóna Scresu. So and agus ahanad rod convicted felon general the aggravating or
misogynist, rapist,
listen,
racist.
Ahan ist gur féad lat smuoinúir sin Trump.
Not a florist.
Not that we know.
Yeah, not that we know.
I'd say
not that we know actually.
Bei Gargi Galt again the White House and me Hanner. So be la fecal. But no, we shouldn't listen. There was more margin. It was obviously damage was because you jump a triúr margin a gurker in the tar he chucked his job. agus bhí the rá like Níorcan seo great, but like seans go with me all right because you're like okay whatever it's like bhí na swing states could be rud onto whatever bhí should go fáil like if whatever the Kamala Harris so I was like okay better go all right whatever agus bus mar margin in you agus bhín RT news notification but they're running at their Costla oh yeah Trump announces his victory or whatever and I was like well like that means nothing because because we and then scroll on she's like piece of Ugella and I was like oh wait no actually not Tasha actually
yeah those swing states swung baby
they
fucking swung they swung for the fucking hills
swung and a miss
they swung and got the fucking home run
fully
not even Khan
no
fully Khan it's ní Rossa gar a bhíon
no
he like, won by a fucking landslide
yeah it was an léirscáil díreach ar na is a bhí nar bhaint an am dearnach ach bhí níos mó bhátaí ar a son na bhí 8 blianachain so like an céadúir yeah so like bhí so céadúir bhí níos mó bhátaí Hillary Clinton but ní roisin na stéit mar ceart whereas an am seo bhí níos mó bhátaí again na Kamala Harris agus
Russia choir like she wrote like look Trump whatever fuck that right ach rud a smooth could ask somsa na the fucking medical take right
yes
go éann go be inis go be Donald Trump on 47th president
I know
America sé an fucking 45th he's the 45th president so ke fógus go a ceú seachú like just cúd na fucking daine like cumanum kids a fuck that all like it's fucking dinner one it dinner one
yeah
ní a raw a separate entity go Donald Trump mar fucking ní a Hurricane go Glover Cleveland ní a raw separate entity on my president just cúd na fucking daine it's the 45th president is on fair play Russia whatever the fuck I don't give a fuck just cúd sues the fucking every card
with the current heavy showdowns
oh my god piss me off 45th president fuck off Niha he is the 45th I mean he's not the 47th I mean
no
the fucking
but even 45th because we ding yellow revision of a genu near the double rod because we Cleveland
no he's technically he is 45th
and
yeah because couldn't in the Dini that haven't done a consecutive so it's only all president initiative in on the non-consecutive terms
yeah
so ní on the Cleveland so they count him as two people ní on the Trump initiative and they're counting him as two people
so gas
so that is more fáidirín to be honest no Russia agus chuig ma Trumpiste dus ma tan tí go fucked that it doesn't even surprise me anymore so yeah
no bhí music so an tarsin to be honest nar even on tús like go is is like sinné like it's Jover mar dearnsid but scan rule fast though like ni go America in inis ganhfuil ar Harvey
tá sé scanner de hirthe eile níháin de bhar gan
oh my god scan rule on Ukraine scan rule the Palestine scan rule the airing faster because the show hun and corporate tax for réile agus chance mai go culture pasni agus a len agan shaw after grow basically the and realtas clock in jaipel in this Apple agus in to Apple just probably gonna flagal or ain't those Marialler correction so yeah Niash gonna be my like a Pléann not gonna lie Niash gonna crack my but ar lei mu go bhéh le cheile agus tu go
Michael Murphy ras
agus Michael Murphy rá an tweet doc right your imagine actually where it was like chuing a Swiss tweet like beding smuid ceir bhí GNú na tuis leo na leorhí stair a faoin am seo agus just chuing is street being like there's not going to be any history books you stupid
well Éice fao Trump ní ceap go Michael Murphy ras.
Okay, fun second.
Ní ceap go back as ní ceap go ceading Michael Murphy a bheith.
Ná chur an dad thing is sin le ceile. Hold on a second.
No, tomorrow. Ní ceart go
Get my Michael's name
Out your
out your fucking
mucking-
mouth.
ní ceart go cead ag Trumpaíocht le presidency agus ní ceart go cead ag Michael Murphy tarrás ag mar go fór an dúá.
Okay, Kai,
So like tá actually are going really mom.
Okay, well, but why don't make less job because there's to a solar hostage because there's this there's to actually visa good grow machon towards Western Michael Murphy. By the way, Mo if anyone is absolutely surprised, is Captain Gosha size gassed or Visha Riv Jerun. So hopefully Yenita actually differ more, but chance can Yenita differ more. Kahari listen to real Hanua. Agus goméisio like there's a fá size like og, but just Visha and mage and upper gentiga like fihín suskatí and each tashanish that grosha absolutely scrista rib cheru and career of Viega but in this better chance go shaw like in the band are getting back together listen seer Viega because Neil really rest time or beyond CGA Martasa James so I think chance go shaw to rud doc ratchet and but Kane fa a gapantas in your narrow-minded vision of what?
No, it's not narrow-minded at all. It's very clear cut. Lord fi real chanú. Cé a bhí i tuairta seach na real chanú le friggin leis se coiste. Cé bhí ar a coiste? Michael Murphy bhí ar a fucking coiste.
And a conspiracy theory.
Real chanú. No, tú muis just rá. Ma tú ar coiste le tuairteach real chanú sin cluthe. Tá tú tífa mú an cluthe, so fan fucking tífa más. Now be tuairteach real chanú that could benefit yourself. He's a long-range kicker, so he knew well could do Shayna, much I get it's not the real notion. So like that is not fucking. That's well, all I'm saying is the fucking grey area more ashach chin to play Jim McGuinness freshness in the fucking real canoe. So much you've got who's good. I'll go like Jim Gavin, who's a monaclia. Fog I get because Nisha play left for and block leave move. Nisha in the current boot to she pala. So Michael Murphy both played le na réalcha nu aru nu fan at a fucking park. Ní chead that paying. Well, don't make your own rules like trial like gimmer cluhi agus trial. Just cause like it didn't give you mucking park is low of football. It's better that it's ring to the wall. Well, we should call it a cluhi. Didn't know was réalcha news for us. Fucking.
But for your Christian around you though, Shannon wrote though. So like it wasn't just
okay, Michael so happy coincidence. Immer way for an doing nGall if Pléann nu ho gohan sé a coiste le réalach an nu chuirteiste chun na cluthe a dhéana níos fearr. Ó agus é sin tá réalach an nu se ionintach má tá mu go rionach go chuirteisteach and then all of a sudden tá má fi an bhád níos fearr Tá má fi an ógaríist is bradum bheith mó ar a barc agus gohan se amach ar a barc éis. Coincidence?
So Gavin but so in Gavin this is then ein thing at a bunch of like ein real hard on sport that means like blanket ban your kadaku or rash to sport because the dingy of you're in the cushy like whatever like the 100 whatever and you're in the kinder in the real hard and that means that Neil kadaku or rash arish.
Well like because like what to do retired agus go cean an na costí sin be go íchollart fannacht retired.
An sílantos le gonneahí sé scór le sort agenda aige le seo a dhéanú.
Oh no, not
5-year plan aige.
The conspiracy is the wheels are turning.
Yeah, that's the wheels are turning.
Can red string James or Bala and it's like Michael Murphy retire. Christian.
Need to get him a wallet to hero Michael on it.
Victory the Michael Murphy le darts just
Creatum nu chuirse is scór go neach se ar scór I cap go annach se ar scór. Tuige me sin mé leis perhhéilech agus nu tá postal an Amsterdam is dí tuginn se tol agus bí nuirt brisevad ach níche go cead direct input bhd ar áú réalcha cluí má bhí fis agad go ra seanán grotú tíochtarráis chun said cluthe a himirt.
Cén dó go dtí le bheith súil ru an mar sin níor chéal bin bí goráach sé ra aige really.
No. Ach obviously vís ach bí ceach conra bí ceach rudkins an not ní mar rá nach ceartan cí an, probably nach rá, ní ra aontaine sinna questions ach like ní chear go moch like tá direct input aige I rialcha áú so bhí agus bhí sé tá bhach mis ar a coiste sin bhach mis breanúir ó cecha I gnach se cecha intar an sport an ní seár agus is forward é so tá an sport inis I chur leis skillanna an forward so thug sé sin he brought his big brain into that agus thug se cúna go gunji ábhar agus spectacle agus táirge ní seár a chrothú ach in the back of his mind indirect nó directly bhí se cuimrú a cechaléon sport a dhéana ní seár go héin so tá sé níos taréis teachta leis agus mátá rins go na réalacha go teachtasteach tá sé a gáil eisian na benefita meall is fáharda Tá baice bháin bhachtú le rá, ok, cé fá a fogta bh se ítá passá agus á dacraig. Ach is fáir. Tá just chuileúd correlating goodí like
líhas aige.
Yeah, but like creatum nach ro a cuimrú ar a ball se at all, but just tá mise in my
I don't know.
in my cynicism I ggéir feicáil Donegal amach as an áit so tá géir do chuineáil síos méall tá géir gaiile fós bheit in the All Ireland I don't need another chundé I fáil níos fear
aniu go hí altír motive agad hain ví
bhí nóir go ferge ar chuúil an airgun sin
Well ví go ru se an gar nar bhfuil dunaál agus galibh le cheile
but like
so hí
close only counts in horseshoes agus grenades really you know close calls there actually matter a chunir deile close doesn't really cut it like
Well tá mis iontas go me gorás a ag go thomáin ceart a geile bheith arás agus tá ag so go mór le eáil a ri na blianana a ri an starú se thugann agus an sin ag an lí fásta inar tá saháile na mata sé tuan blá clia I buarcha croci an teara fásta le chu dé bis suas a ríis gan bhfuil fannig pí crack. Agus ag lumsa ag me agus a gáil James ag chluhíle cheile agus is féidirling an sin na feicáil. Tá duise na róí in gáileh aine sin
agus?
Well heag lá chat suas.
No foiointe?
fairness no má bhíon na chuí mar a clia. I gapú go mé go takeíochtús go Donegal.
A dogí tú go dtí aon club eile aon fear an eile seachas dunaál. Do chuimiid ag clúthe id nó le dunaál néad an lú le an rathe a gine a bhhaibhar chundá an lú and that's chundá
because obviously underdog story though loud like chundá is lú so it's just an animal like so catú underdog story catú sinna back out like flying road ag in Zaruk like
dunaál na baile clia ar bearla takead a chuirt a baile clia
rístiad fátam le chuí Leinster so basically turál seach le dope like
oh no it's proper D4 dollyhu in ish
well in fairness on cuiad a ceanna am láin na naid connachtaán so tá a go ghéansaí chonacht a cha an sin béidir go you know the Champions Cup
matches. Ahratha James.
I mean tá literally go bheith is spa in this dabhar an bá.
It's like glacu leis an síl seo like go homeland in your stride.
Ag glacha to it like a swan to a private lake.
Was that like vi si get erachtas ar seachtainna. An chuige chaimiis sem modúnach is rud cheaping ná cheap me go ghéing go brach nuair amach an éireachtas idal ará. So thosa me máidin so ri man siúpúirt ar fád and then bucha me spa chumhéin so chum síos agus bhí coffee shops is spa so fu coffee den chum seach sa sauna agus plunge pool spa siúdí lá aontacham tháinig mar ráis is tús me tá me fi a chuirí freis chud as chu like non-hungover as you might like go my Ticketmaster and then chonig ma workmans go Roy McMullen go me Workmans Shall my tickets in bug shackle workmans chuma seachar muscom héin agus tradlan meisteach I agus bhí iche das cúnam I workmans ag gig. So cé apá go bin an cinál síl amach cham nuach sibse is teachta leis bhain Oireachtas absolutely scrista.
Absolutely scrista bhí an timan sin lofa. But nuair chuní me hosa in workmans, I was like, hardly ghfuil James I ggóil peanta agus muid inérá leis gomáin go síos. Like bhí miscur text na James de Saharn as bhí srá. No, ní higlamóls, ní matá síos. But bhí suirt teoiric ag hiú hána sé thugam de híine. And he was like, will I know it's clushy yogurt? I was like, what? And he's like, my James, will I clushy? I was like, what are you on about? And he's like, he's like a curha sheer. There's a curha apple. She long my shine show nocht.
Well, like, okay. But while I'm a casting sin agus a ré gur hánig dinge éigen eile is a carú, and couldn't go time or TV on the niche, but there should grown clear curse or whatever. I think Bedger wrote this a curse chat and group chat and you were like, oh, like Bedger, like whatever. Either that or he was feeding me complete lies and Tamara Fod. Be like, oh yeah, no, like tell James definitely checked. And so then I was like, but near her to HD and group chat looking here, so I was like, surprise avail.
Surprise. Yeah. I was like, oh, what a cute friend. Such a good surprise.
If you must meet you, I was like, Cain Favel a handing Ella as kind of Mara Shalom Shachas James. I was like, surely I was like, this is not Shach cheese. You would very just see in group chats like bun later. Like it would literally be whole Lewis for this in scale. Girl to a non-chat, so you'd be like, I'm on the way.
You're sure all either. You're sure go she's all like
so fucking funny then.
You're sweetie to her for can you second.
No. To be honest.
No,
Bezer Martin the sorry, you might like okay, Bezer. And then Homa trainers, we might like wrecked we shall loud trish here.
Yeah.
So ni woch my heats cuz he loud trish car, cool clog, whatever, the trocht, nGall Saharan. So we might like okay dan law almost Jorgen law and Saharing called some ni woch man dan go tier readies agus plus like Clay could sheer schachten so yeah agus chin it workmans is 0-0 we generation so like it's just like ni homing all the way she's cuz Gleneagle Clarny they couple 0-0 Guinness all even though go coolúidir íontach agus rudaach I think on Tomás agus on Scrisí nach sé mo chorp ceapin go nachrúd má so
ní fiú
le ich bháin like mo sé difriúd cos tá an forma amach an scéal go rá se chur achló mát nó cédín ach hín
tréál
hín tréna má in saring is mé go má a lí ní féidir an bheith cáile mór an trénacha editor seachtain goáide agus sin chumáile sin bhí ón siomra chur a cealam ar an lúd so ní forma amach an scéal
Holinn air thuirta sin
I know ach like bhí me ceapú go mar scandal cín sa cues nach sé geir a chum bheits a siomra agus
by all accounts the Italian and scandal a gohhain ar tattoo sa seomra James so I'm
evidently
literally two for three. The one missing is near nachró 2-1. So
yeah, well look tá I drúdum le deire an sé arnis so béiche tíach fós le I ri an dólag
agus an méid go glínrá na Bell Firste Bí ré níl
Bell First á dáte ócin Cafe Londóh bí isclí Maddens bí friggin isclí lua agus you know Maddens just not dún
just can't
fucking not dún
Nés go an dig daoine có lárneach is támuid le tá óstan tan Europa artar ceirhhaimiid de hiúlóid ó Victoria Square támuid I lár na carach
I lár na cara
I mean
Dantra
é an time agan
Be an time
Ardí gur go lóistí na mháil just saying Tá sé de ré má hanaon díla má
sí tá ceanna like an dhéanamh sin nó an fáníma le cairde tá go mé farste but then cíonn se go gaiim má ar an could be crack mé an tí in the residents ná
ní ceapin go sin in play ceablan eile like a residence bar I don't think so.
No,
Me
but
all.
you know, but after
Oh yeah, like sin rud faoi na mé ágú sé spread I cúpla óstáin ní se chutáhacht a bheits an óstáin céanna leis rud ceapin chéimlin eile méall ní like Caithe tú bheits residence bear really clearly mé ní an acha Gleneagle like tá chun fás a Gleneagle whereas in Europa already sold out tá cúpaán eile sold out tá liste óstáin chuirta sús sih Iarachtas an Samhna so it's unlike mé residence bear a bháin lárnach kind of thing. Probably can make on class, but like it's an unknown. So ceapin go se Blaine Chéhlinn who's on. I think it's grand. Is that right?
Béle fe go gcumhacht actually stay.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Simú.
Who?
Agus listen, scanal again.
If you have
Fi quick. Well, hopefully, listen, be scan logging fi quick. Béle fecal. You never know. Better go John Brad Munch and she could punch a shot. You know, you'd never know. Better go with Brad. Bay James 30 or whatever.
Ní mé a fucking 30. Bé ma bug nach though.
Listen, Bay James 30, but time to chart was a cuffing season for Lahar, so listen, you know, I could better go with Michigan's James Scéalta if we know I'm Mbliana Hogan. Just leave out with it, do you know?
It's like when my fucking whole reality shouldn't that shit like.
Oh God, Nyama Hambaku, Nyama. I'm just a wee tease in this series. You know I love you. Good job in your forever and always. Agazania to this all right faster. I guess. No, to gafa láta Daniel faster. Absolutely.
I know. Ní mis goin sciorla James mar the rat gcumhacht.
This is true.
And reassurance to her thús a goni.
Yeah, to get reassurance at all times.
Words of affirmation.
Words and love language. Yeah. Love language.
Tell me how great I am, even though it's a lie.
I love language tugum sa na ag fána a seamarlum, but
Oh, file to shimmer that, but not overnight.
No, yeah. Just
in the morning chats.
Sílam go bé sinna gur maigad as application na seansaí agus caiim ra fásta. The daoine ar fád a hánig suas sugam héana agus again rion Iarachtas a dúirt gro crísaí acu is tí sapád gur míle maigad so sin because tá se seán rud le podcroiltaí ar dhéanamh ar lína agus just go just mudinge si either an seaamar le ceile ná ar Zoom le ceile ní andelaí a creidfeil gohfuil like slua a muhin sin ag géistead super sin and it's rudí ar nós electric picnic na seónní beá na rudí ar nós an Iarachtas where you're like oh yeah like seo like this is tá daoine géis is bunch salt agus is Moile eálan an cinál an target á méid tá genta going so chumí mai a hanig suas le Lordning ag an Iarachtas agus fásta mór the James and chat showing I clicky again. I'm sure you're gonna be great, sweetie.
You're doing great.
You're doing great. Agus ag an nGall cin leis den Samhna an Donach.
Tá himirt ar Samhna an teachtain seo sa spéisial sa clé promotion playoff agus sin an teachtain ina dhé tá sa Connacht semi-final in Kilchomán so an all Gaeltacht clash. So championí WO and championí Galve so be sin ar Samhna ina dhé ceaping.
Deadly buzz. Well, higgling country sa Sana or Martin Jadoni. Maybe non genuine and recovery in the year.
Don't you tell me with a good time, honey.
Oi. Right, good you. What do you call it? This is where once again which Lance and man hosted them with your Shancy your Instagram, Shancy your Twitter, or Shancy your YouTube. Was the Gary Anya Amsterdam man hosted this more anywhere Instagram, anywhere Twitter, it was anywhere TikTok. Was the Gary James Amsterdam man hosted this more Flyer Tack or Instagram, Flyer Tack or Twitter, or Flyer Tack or TikTok. That's what the Gary Mahan Amsterdam man hosted the more Hugh Carrier Instagram, Hugh Carrier Twitter, I was just great Hugh Car or TikTok. I was fasted, but to get back to the whole America. Bay a hundred all right. Probably. I don't know.
Post Erna.
Yeah, Tarashka. Yeah, Mahanagus James, bra.
Yeah, Sabrina, turn all.
I was literally an American away and you're failing at the red. Fuck's sake. Right, but I guess I'll do a shot again. I was been a Jarash, I used to aggro and earth on the Shancy. I could Salon.
One.